When trying to develop opportunities for new technology products and services, one of the biggest challenges is learning to analyse how external environmental change can potentially impact the opportunities you are developing. The tool I use to help people assess technology business opportunities is very well known on business and strategy courses. PESTLE is a tool to help you understand the impact of the external environment on a specific business strategy or opportunity. If you want to learn how you can also use it to help you develop business opportunities, then just keep watching. Assessing the viability of potential new technology products or services is an absolutely essential skill. Whether you are developing products or services for your current employer or business, or to build your own company around, you need to develop an objective way to assess the impact of the external environment. You need to identify what change is happening and whether it has a positive or negative impact on the technology business opportunity that you are building. In my online program, Building Business Opportunities with Technology, I will share a range of techniques that will help you to do this. One of these tools is also great as an opportunity scouting tool. PESTLE is a simple way of breaking down external environmental change into a set of distinct categories. The 6 types of change are political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental. If we are going to use these categories to analyse the impact of the external environment on potential opportunities, then why not use them to help identify emerging opportunities? It is very simple. Just create a spreadsheet, carry a notebook, paper or electronic, with a tab or page for each of these 6 categories of change. You can carry it around as you go through your day. On your mobile devices, tools like Evernote or Apple Notes are great for this. They can help you capture and categorise the information as you collect it. Carry it around with you every day. Every time you see an example of one of these types of change, write it down. Write down what the change you have seen is, but also where you have seen it. TV news, newspapers, internet news sites, social media sites, or everyday things that you just observe around you. This helps in 2 ways. It helps you to categorise change into specific areas, but also encourages you to write down examples of change on a daily basis. I also suggest you go beyond this and start thinking about the 5 W's we have already discussed. Why is it happening? Where is it happening? Who is affected? And when is it likely to happen? You have begun to identify categories of change and the potential customers that are affected by it. More importantly, the specific evidence and sources that supports that change is taking place, you are also gathering. It will help you to identify what is real news and what is fake news. Using this PESTLE tool in the scouting stage will really help you refine your process of idea generation and to keep asking who is the potential customer. Why don't you just give it a try? In the DisruptTech online program, there are podcasts, activities, and a whole range of techniques and templates to help you build a viable technology business opportunity. We spend an enormous amount of time in the early program assembling opportunities. PESTLE and the 5 W's will help you assess opportunities, so why not also use them to help you assemble opportunities? If you want to learn more, take a look at the introductory video in the link below. You can also sign up to receive more of these short videos, blogs and templates. Just follow the link and subscribe. Thanks for watching.